I am back at this office complex I filmed at the beginning of the month, and since it's a little cooler outside than it was last time, I don't think any of them here are going to be running. This is not even illegible. It has not been running. 38 CKC. I found out the model name of these. This one. I can't tell. No, it hasn't. Let's see if the piles are filmable today. Whatever the heck those are at the back of this building. Yep, I think I can film them today without risking getting in trouble. At least I think these are pile performances. I don't know, they don't have a brand on them. It has not been running. Oh, there's a tiny CKC right here. I didn't even know this was here before. Not been running. And another unbranded ICP. I don't think it's been running. There's a performance right there I can't get to, unfortunately. Alright. Let's take a look at the ones I filmed last time. If I can find a way to get back here this time. There's a CKC right here. Oh, the disconnect's open. And here's that Goodman. That's still running, just like it was last time. And then a CKC. It has not been running. There's a Train XR over there that again I can't get to. It's this CKC right here. I think this one was running last time. I don't remember. It's not running though. Not been running. And then here's this Train Choice I've never seen running. Look at the data this time. Basically no one's here. It has not been running. There's a ream right there. I forgot this was here. Totally. And it sounds like the Goodman's running this time. Yep, excellent. But this one's not working too great. This has not been running. This one was running last time though, I do remember for a fact. And oh, it's not running. This is the one that was all frozen up last time. It has not been running. Neither is this one. This one wasn't running last time either. This is the one that was all frozen solid last time. There's a Dave Lennox signature series, I think, over here, but I did not film last time. Because I didn't even know it was here. But I think that's the only edition. Let's take a look at that. No one's here right now. I don't think I filmed the Dave Lennox yet. And it sounds like it's running. Oh, there's a couple of them. There's someone in that car, I think. I gotta watch out. There's two of them up here. That one's running. Oh, there's a few more over here that I have had absolutely no idea about. There's a weather maker. Interesting. What the hell is over here? I don't know what this place is, so... Whoa. Anything back here that I could think of? There's nothing back here. Now, which one's running? Is it one of the Lennox or one of the weather makers? That's a rebadged pane. Let's see. Looks like that car's pulling out finally, so I could get a closer look at these. Weather maker. Interesting. I don't think it's been running. Let's get the data. That one's probably going to be the same. It's this Lennox that's running. This one's off. Dave Lennox Signature Collection. It just shut off. I can't get to the middle ones, unfortunately, but whatever. I plan on filming that apartment neighborhood over there in the future. There's a Lennox Elite. That's at an apartment, so I'm not going to film it this time. But I haven't filmed most of them at the front of the building yet. Yeah, the last time that CKC was freaking frozen solid on the suction line. Let's go back here. Here's that train choice. It was not running when I got here, but now it's kicked on. It is from 2025 Freeton. Not really sweaty yet, but it is getting really, really cold. There's a CKC that was running last time. I think this is the one where the suction line was not super cold, but still very sweaty. It might have been oily. It has not been running. A lot of gas meters over there. Glad they're not right by the units. One of the CKCs over here is running. Oh, this one's been running. I'm gonna try to catch a startup of this. This one was running when I got here. Nice and cold and sweaty. I can't remember which one was running last time though. I can't remember which one. None of the two over here are running. These are the two with the new fan motors. It has not been running. Actually, I can't tell. This one has both a new fan motor and new blades. This one was running last time, I know it. Not been running this time. Alright. Well, that'll be about it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Out.